If you want to automate tasks on your website without manually running commands every time, cron jobs are the perfect solution. In this video, I'll show you how to run a cron job in Hostinger step by step so you can set up scheduled tasks quickly and correctly. Whether you want to run a PHP script, a custom command, or automate maintenance tasks, this guide will walk you through the exact process. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy hosting and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, go to your dashboard. This is where all of your hosting tools and settings are managed. So if you're not seeing what you need right away, don't worry. Everything we need is in here. Next, look for the advanced section. Depending on your Hostinger setup, you may also see this under Hosting and then Manage. Hostinger sometimes places the same tools in slightly different spots based on the plan or interface version, so just follow whichever route you see on your screen. Once you're in the right area, open cron jobs. This is the section where Hostinger lets you create scheduled tasks that automatically run at specific times or intervals. If you've never used cron jobs before, think of it like setting an alarm for a command on your server. Now you're ready to create a new cron job. Hostinger will usually give you a few options here, and the first thing you need to do is choose the type of job you want to run. In many cases, you'll be able to choose either PHP or a custom command. If you're running a script built with PHP, choose the PHP option. If you have a command line instruction or a different kind of task, choose custom instead. After that, enter the command you want to run. This is the actual instruction Hostinger will execute when the cron job triggers. If you're using a script, make sure the path is correct and that the command is written exactly the way your server expects it. Even a small typo here can stop the cron job from working, so take your time and double check it before moving on. Now comes one of the most important parts, the schedule. Hostinger will let you choose when the cron job should run using time fields like minute, hour, day, month, and week. This is what controls how often your task runs. For example, you can set it to run every minute, once every hour, once a day, or on specific days of the week. If you're not sure what to choose, start with the frequency your task actually needs. A backup script might run once a day, while a small maintenance task might run every hour. Take a moment to think about the timing carefully, because setting the wrong schedule could make the task run too often or not often enough. The good news is, Hostinger makes this part easy, and you can always come back and edit the cron job later if needed. Once everything looks good, click Save. Hostinger will then store your cron job and begin running it according to the schedule you selected. At that point, your job is active and you no longer need to launch it manually. If you ever need to make changes, you can return to the cron job section and update the command or schedule at any time. That's one of the biggest advantages of using cron jobs. They save time, reduce repetitive work, and help keep your website running smoothly in the background. So to quickly recap, you log into Hostinger, go to your dashboard, open Advanced or Hosting Manage, click Cron Jobs, create a new job, choose PHP or Custom, enter your command, set your minute, hour, day, month, and week schedule, and then click Save. And that's it. You now know how to run a cron job in Hostinger. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Hostinger tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.